How to fix root not available on Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Trust Wallet on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then at the bottom, you'll find Swap. Click on Swap at the bottom. Then in here, select From and To. Make sure both the options are from the same blockchain. You will find root not available in Trust Wallet if both of them are not from the same blockchain. To send it and to receive, they both should be from the same blockchain. So make sure they're from both blockchain and then only swap token. And this is how to fix root not available in Trust Wallet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.